What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a guitar, bass, or synthesizer to your R-Track 2x2. So now to set up a guitar to the interface, I have my guitar right here and a 1/4-inch instrument cable, which is important to use because if you don't use an instrument cable, you might get a lot of noise in your recording. I'm going to plug one end into the 1/4-inch of my guitar. Then I'm going to take the other end and plug it into input 2 since we can use it specifically for guitars, bass, or other instruments. So next I'm going to want to raise the gain knob here for my input. Then I can press the high Z button to raise the impedance for my input, which is good to use for guitars or basses. And now in my DAW, I'll want to set my track to input 2 since we're using input 2 on the interface. Remember, we can adjust the gain knob if we need more volume coming from our guitar, and you can also use the signal light to make sure that the signal is coming into the interface, and you can also refer to the peak light if you have too much volume coming in. Before we start recording, we'll also want to pay attention to the monitoring knob here. So when we have this all the way to the left in direct mode, this means we'll hear everything coming directly into the interface. And if we have this set all the way to the right for DAW mode, this means we'll hear everything coming from our DAW and computer, which also includes the inputs that we have set up on our interface. You can also blend this knob between the two modes for whatever suits your recording setup. So next we'll want to be sure to raise the volume on our guitar. And if I start to strum the guitar, you'll see that the input is coming through our track here, and you'll also see the signal light light up on our interface. So now we can go ahead and record a sample. Now if you wanted to record a bass or synthesizer, you're actually going to follow the same exact steps, and the really cool thing about this interface is that you don't need a DI box for these setups. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up a guitar, bass, or synth to your R-Track 2x2, but if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.